Hi students, in this video I am going to discuss about calculation of income from profession of a chartered accountant. This is question number 6. Mr. Ram Rao is a chartered accountant in Mysore. His receipt and payment account for the year ended 31/3/2025 is given below. So, in the previous sum that we have already discussed in the previous video, they have given you income and expenditure account, and in this question number 6, they have given you receipt and payment account. So this is the receipt side, okay, and this is the payment side. So receipt amount, payment amount, and we have to, as usual, we have to go with adjustment. So the first adjustment here is 1/3 of the car expense relating to personal use. So they will be giving car expenses on the payment side. You have to check whether they have given car expenses. Here car expenses is there. Now we will put a tick here. So the car expenses, what they told, 1/3 relate to personal use means 2/3 relating to official purpose. We have to consider 2/3. Next is depreciation of motor car is allowed at 15%. So depreciation on motor car, purchase of motor car, when the motor car is purchased 31/9/2024. So here we have to check whether he has used the car for more than 180 days in the previous year. Okay, so actually September he took, right? September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So 6 months he used. Definitely he has used it for 180 days. So what we have to give? Depreciation 1,80,000 into 15% into 2/3, 18,000. If we use the car for less than 180 days, here we have to add 1/2 also. In this case, he used the car for more than 180 days, so we can calculate the full depreciation. But 2/3 we are taking because he used the motor car only for 2/3 is only used for professional purpose. That's why. Then the third one, rent include ₹30,000 paid for residential accommodation. See, residential accommodation rent. See, rent also we have to we tick here rent 60,000. Out of 60,000, rent used for residential accommodation is 30,000. So rent for professional purpose is only 30,000. So rent 60,000 minus 30,000, 30,000 we have to consider. Next adjustment, last adjustment, miscellaneous expenses include donation paid to the notified temple. Miscellaneous expenses, here miscellaneous expenses is given. This also depreciation we discussed. Miscellaneous expense 30,000 they have given. So our miscellaneous expense is a professional expense, but donation paid to notified temple is not a professional expense. So we should deduct that. Miscellaneous expense 30,000 minus 20,000 donation, 10,000 we have to write. We have finished all the 4 adjustments. Now we will look into the receipt side, which are all the professional receipt. Dividend is not a professional receipt. Professional income is a professional receipt. House rent is not a professional receipt. Race course income is not a professional receipt. Lottery prize is not a professional receipt. So only one professional receipt is there, that is 5,60,000. See, we check here professional receipt, below we have written only professional income 5,60,000. Come to the payment side, we will check the other adjustments. Salary is a professional expense. Rent we already discussed. Okay, telephone charge is a professional expense. Motor car expense, professional expense is a professional expense. motor car expense I want to tick actually. 20,000 is a professional expense. We check all the three is written there up to motor car expense. So salary, rent, telephone charge, professional expense, motor car expense. After motor car expense, miscellaneous expense we already discussed. Purchase of car we already discussed. Okay, and advance income tax is not a professional expense. Personal expense is not a professional expense. Purchase of professional book, for that we have to give depreciation. What is the rate of depreciation? 40%. We'll check here 40%. Depreciation on professional books 8,000 into 40%, 3,200 we have to consider. Next is electricity charge. Electricity charge is a professional expense, 4,000. It is written here electricity charge 4,000. LIC premium is not a professional expense. Closing balance we have to leave. Now give the heading assessee name, status. Status on another side you can give. It will look neat. Previous year on the one end and assessment year on another end. Computation of income from profession, we can make it in the middle, and we can give the heading particulars, amount. We will make the list of professional receipt. We will reduce professional expenses. So we will get the answer income from profession. Some important notes I have given here. Depreciation of motor car 2/3 only we have to take, and because 1/3 is used for personal purpose. Motor car expense also 2/3. Rent 30,000. Residential portion is disallowed. Miscellaneous expense 20,000 donation to Notified Temple is disallowed. Thanks for your patient listening.